Hi boys and girls, I'm going to show you where you can find your assignment for math, lesson 14.03, and we'll go over how you're going to complete that assignment. You're going to go into your math course. We're in module 14. We're looking at lesson 14.03, direct to coordinates. You're going to click on the link for the lesson. Make sure you go through all pages of the lesson, go through the examples, go through any problems that they want you to complete for practice. It's 8 pages, so make sure you go through all 8 pages. On the last page, you'll come across what is my assignment. You'll click on this link, direct to coordinates. And this is a 2-page assignment, so make sure you complete and turn in both of these papers. All right, it says use the coordinate planes to answer each question. All right, so you're going to follow these directions using this coordinate plane. Plot the point A at 2, 3. Then plot point B, that is 4 right and 5 up from point A. So we'll do that one as an example. Okay, so we're going to follow these directions. Plot the point A at 2, 3. So I'm going to crawl 2, walk 3. Okay, and that's point A. Don't forget to label it. And then plot point B, that is 4 right and 5 up from point A. So we're going to start at point A and we're going to go 4 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to mark that point B. Okay, so that's what you're doing for number 1. And then number 2, you're going to plot the point C at 9, 7, and then you're going to plot another point D that is 8 left and 2 down from point C. So you're going to do the same steps but following the different directions. All right, now you come across, for page 2, you come across a different coordinate plane. And it looks like here there's this coordinate plane is showing different locations, like the town hall, the grocery store, the burger joint. So you're going to answer these questions 3 through 6 based on this coordinate plane. Carter is at the school. Okay, so you're going to follow these directions. Carter is at the school, so we're going to find the school. He's right here. He travels 4 blocks right and 2 blocks up. So we're going to go 4 right and 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up. 1, 2. Plot the coordinates that Carter has now reached. Label it Carter. So you'd mark your point here and you'd label it Carter. Number 4, explain the coordinate values of the new point, Carter, in relation to the origin. So what you'll do there is we know Carter is here, where my mouse is. So we're going to have to do the coordinates from the origin. So if we're looking at, let me just quickly screenshot it, might be easier. Yeah. So we know Carter is at the school. He goes 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 up. So we know that's Carter. We're going to label that Carter. I'm just going to put a C for Carter. Explain the coordinate values related to the origin. So we know the origin's here at 0, 0. So we need to figure out what are the coordinates of C. So we're going to go across. Looks like it's 7. Yep. So 7 is our x coordinate. So this is for number 4. And our y coordinate, how far up does he go? He's at 15. So 7, 15 is his new location. Okay. And then let's see what you have for 5 and 6. Carter is at the baseball diamond. Okay, so now we know he's at the baseball diamond here, new location. To get there, he traveled 3 blocks left and 8 blocks up. What coordinates did Carter start from? So for this one, he's starting. They're asking where he started from. So really we have to go backwards. And in order to go backwards, we have to do the opposite of what they're saying to do. So he's at the baseball diamond, okay? And it says, let me make that smaller. We know he's at the baseball diamond. To get where he traveled, To get there, he traveled 3 blocks left and 8 blocks up. So where did he start from? So we have to do the opposite. So 3 blocks left, the opposite of that would be 3 blocks right. So he's at the baseball diamond. Opposite of 3 blocks left is 3 blocks right. 1, 2, 3. And then 8 blocks up, the opposite of 8 blocks up is 8 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What coordinates did Carter start from? So now he's at this coordinate where my mouse is. And what coordinates are those? Well, looks like that's 6, 7. So he's at 6, 7. Okay. And then you're going to do the same thing for number 6. And for some reason, I can't get that. There we go. Carter is at the burger joint to get where he traveled, or to get there, he traveled 5 blocks right and 10 blocks up. Where did he start from? So you're going to start at the burger joint and you're going to do the opposite. You're going to do 5 blocks left and 10 blocks down, and then write down those new coordinates. Okay. I can do number 5 as an example. Make this smaller so I can kind of show you. Okay. So again, for number 5, we just went over this, but I want to draw it out for you so you can have an example. Carter's at the baseball diamond, so he's here. And to get there, he traveled 3 blocks left, 8 blocks up. Where did he start from? So we're going to do the opposite. So 3 blocks left, we're going to do the opposite of 3 blocks right. 1, 2, 3. And then 8 blocks up, opposite of up is down. So 8 blocks down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is where he started from. And if we follow these directions, we should end up at the baseball diamond. 3 blocks left. 1, 2, 3. 8 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Baseball diamond. So what are these new coordinates? We said it was 6 for X, 7 for Y. So 6, 7 is where he started. Okay, so you'll do that for number 6 as well. And then when you're done, you'll go ahead and go to the next activity tab. You'll click on that blue plus button and you will submit both pages.